So what is Scrum? A pile of rugby players stacked on top of each other, trying to find a ball and figure out what to do with it. B, a framework for working with non-predictable, complex projects. Could be used in a lot of areas, like for instance, surviving a family vacation on this island or making a biker movie. But it's particularly used for developing software, and of course we're here to get into just that. Somebody has a vision they want to realize. To get to this realization, some things need to be done. The stuff that needs to be done is made into a list, a product backlog. The items on this list are called product backlog items. This list is incomplete due to emergent requirements. The product backlog is prioritized so that we always work on that gives the highest return of investment. This brings us to role number 1 in Scrum, the product owner. The product owner is responsible for the product backlog and the prioritization. In order to prioritize, the product owner needs estimates. The best people to make the estimates are the guys that are going to build the product. This brings us to the second role in Scrum, the Scrum team. This team will build the product and make the estimates. Scrum recommends team sizes of 7, plus 2 people, or minus 2 people. The teams are cross-functional with no roles. All members are responsible for all tasks. Realizing we have emerging requirements, we work in iterations. Scrum suggests monthly iterations. In Scrum, an iteration is called a sprint. A typical sprint consists of 1 day sprint planning, 4 weeks of work, and 1 day of sprint review. Now it's time for sprint planning. To know what to do during the sprint, the team breaks down the product backlog items into tasks. The product backlog items tells us what to do and the tasks how to do it. The amount of tasks the team has committed to do in a sprint is called a sprint backlog. At the end of the sprint, the team demonstrates finished functionality for the product owner. We want to see if the team is on track. We do that with daily Scrum meetings. These meetings should not last more than 15 minutes. In this meeting, every team member has to answer 3 questions. What have I done since last meeting? What will I do until next meeting? And what problems do I have? At the daily Scrum, only the committed people may speak. Now it's time to introduce the third role in Scrum, the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for the Scrum process and is a combination of a coach, a fixer, and a gatekeeper. 2 important tasks for a Scrum Master are protecting the team from outside disturbance, clear the way for the team by helping them to solve their problems. The Scrum Master is crucial in implementing Scrum in an organization. We also keep track of how the team is doing with the burn-down chart. The chart shows how many hours are left to finishing all tasks. So good luck to you all, Scrum Masters and Scrum Masters to be. Scrum will change the world of organizations, you can bet on that. And remember, Scrum is faster, better, and cooler.